How important is it for you to learn the language as you travel? Mayong gabi sa inyong lahat and magandang gabi as well as good evening. This is American Perspective, giving you my perspective as an American here in the Philippines and as I travel. So for me, my thought is always, well, if they're coming to my country, then they should understand English, right? And so if I go to their country, I should at least try to learn their language, right? But the difference is if they learn English or try to learn English, we feel it's just their responsibility to, right? When they come to the US, no biggie. But when we go to their country here, like here in the Philippines, they are so appreciative if we even try to learn the language. So many foreigners almost figure since the Philippines they speak English that they don't need to learn their language since they already speak English, right? Well, you should see how they brighten up when you start to speak their language. Because yes, it's important. It makes them feel that we're not just here to travel. We're actually becoming a part of the culture. We are actually caring about them and knowing their language and caring to know their language, even though there are a lot of dialects here. So yes, my suggestion is to learn the language as you come. Try to figure out what part of the Philippines you're going to and learn the dialect to that area, because there are a lot of different dialects and the words just don't mean the same in the same areas. Yes, they do speak English, but again, it's out of respect, in my opinion. As you travel, it's important to be able to also understand people a little bit better, understand the culture a little bit better, because that's a part of traveling. Being able to get out and out of your comfort zone and actually learn not just about the beaches and the land and the interesting things, but about the people. And so for me, it is very important to learn the language wherever you go. At least enough to get around, at least enough to show the people that you care. Because again, they will be so happy to know that you at least tried to learn the language. So think about these things. Don't forget to share your smiles as you go, as you travel, as you experience things, and be grateful. Not a lot of people are able to experience the things that you experience traveling. So see you guys in the next video, and keep smiling and experiencing new and great things. Keep on exploring. See you guys later.